Hey everybody, today I just wanted to do a quick video for anyone who is working with SBOMs, software bill of materials. Just wanted to kind of share a free open source tool that can be used for working with SBOMs. So if you're looking at generating an SBOM, I highly recommend you take a look at some of the work that Sam Sharp has done. So he's got an open source tool for generating SBOMs. So this isn't a tool for generating them, but for working with them after they've been generated. So it's got some different tools. So you can convert SBOMs between different formats. You can sign them. You can verify signatures. You can compare differences between SBOMs. So if you generate an SBOM for some code, and then you maybe roll a revision, and you generate a new SBOM, being able to look at what the differences are, so you can see if different libraries have been upgraded to later versions or whatnot. So so I've kind of got this wrapped up in a library. Looks like it's okay. Don't know what it was looking for there. I didn't actually develop them on this machine, so I don't know. But so basically, I've just got like a wrapper around the CycloneDX CLI tool. So you can use LabVIEW to basically create, tools, interfaces, whatever you want for this stuff. Basically configures the command line calls to the exe, and then allows you to pass in your arguments, and then outputs the results. So you can do stuff like analyze an SBOM. You can convert SBOMs between different types. So if I have like a JSON one and I want an XML file or something like that, I can convert that. The diffing is cool, and I'll demo a couple of these. Just being able to see what things changed between SBOMs. It can generate keys, so you can use the keys to sign and to verify. You can merge SBOMs, so if you have multiple SBOMs, you can merge them all together into one document. You can read help signing them, so this way you can use the keys you've generated to actually sign the SBOM. Validating just checks to make sure it conforms to the proper standards, and then verifying is checking the signatures on those SBOMs. So that's kind of the functions that are available in the CLI. They've all been wrapped, so you can use them however you want. I have some basic functions here. So let's look at this diff one, because I think this one's interesting. And I think this one's probably one of the most useful of all the functions. So basically you just have this diff SBOMs function in the library, and we're just passing in two different SBOMs to it for a comparison. So let's run it and see what that looks like. So we'll run it. It takes just a sec. And then you get your results back. So these are the components versions that have changed. Also, if I've added a function or removed a component, it will highlight that as well. But it also lets you see before the version was 1.1.0.1, and now the version is 1.2.0.1. So helps you keep track of what things have changed as you've updated code on a component level, which is kind of nifty and really simple to use. So let's look at the convert. So again, relatively simple to use. There's just a single convert SBOM function. So I can pass in like a JSON SBOM and convert it to XML. And really simple. I actually already ran this, so you can see I have my XML one. So I was able to take the JSON, convert it to XML. So that way you can convert one SBOM of one type to other types as well. Let's look at signing. So signing, again, this allows you to you can generate a public key and a private key, and you can use that private key to sign your SBOM. So basically just a way to kind of authenticate who it was that generated this. You can do sign, and it's relatively simple, and I've actually already signed the test ones that are in here, so let me show you on the verify. So verify also works similarly, just in this case we're using the public key to verify the signature. So let's run this, And that's what the results look like. So it loads your key, reads the signatures, and then verifies them, and lets me know I'm verified. So that ensures that whoever signed them did sign them with the appropriate public key that matches my, or the appropriate private key that matches my public key. So it's a good way to just validate authenticity on these SBOMs. So yeah, different functions. Like I said, I think the most useful is the diffing capabilities, and the signing and verifying is also useful. Converting is useful as well. But yeah, you can do more, right? Like I said, you can merge SBOMs. So I can basically pick my output path and then load however many SBOMs I want into that, and I get one SBOM from a whole bunch. So if you have different tools that are generating different components, you can marry them all together this way. So yeah, that's kind of the tool. This is all available in my GitLab if you're interested in it. The link is down in the description below. You're welcome to play with it. Let me know if you have any issues, if there's anything you want changed. But yeah, that's more or less it. Thanks for watching.
Canon Controls is your gateway to mastering LabVIEW. Dive into programming for data acquisition, industrial communications, and manufacturing automation. Explore how to enhance your projects with cybersecurity best practices. Join the journey to elevate your skills and secure your systems with every episode.